Premade bag beverage filling sealing machine is manufactured by Shanghai Fubo Machine Company. The machine consists of premade pouch filling sealing machine, belt conveyor plus straw applicator machine, chain plate conveyor. Automatic working process of fruit juice premade pouch packaging machine consists of bag picking, pouch opening, filling, sealing, attaching straws, and finished product output. Premade pouch filling sealing machine is suitable for packing liquid and paste product, such as vegetable, fruit juice, enzyme beverage, yogurt, salad dressing, etc. Pre-made bag packing machines can choose various bag styles according to customer requirements. For example, 3/4 side seal pouches, stand-up pouches, irregularly shaped bags, spout bags, etc.